So this question asks, what's the sum of the exterior angles of a regular polygon? So regular meaning all sides are equal. So first let's look at the triangle here. Okay, so let's look at, before we even look at the exterior angles, let's look at the interior angle. Let's say this is an equilateral triangle. You have each angle being 60 degrees. Because you know that they all add up to be 180, right? Now, when we talk about exterior angles, we're referring to the ones that are on the outside. For example, if we extend the sides out like this, okay, so this is an exterior angle here. Together, they form a straight angle. So a straight angle is 180. Therefore, if that's 60, what would this angle need to be? If you say 120, you are correct. So that's an exterior angle. And then we have another exterior angle here. So again, this is a straight angle, is equal to 180. So if that's 60, this is 120 degrees. You get the idea? So likewise, the supplementary angle of 60 is 120. Okay, so the question is asking, what is the sum of the exterior angle? Sum means if you were to add them up. So here are the exterior angles. All we need to do is add them up. So let's see here. 120 3 times. So multiply 3, we'll get 240, 360 degrees. Okay? So this one is for the triangle. Let's look at the similar situation for a square. Okay, so here, let's first look at the interior angle of a square. You know that each of the corner is a right angle. So you have 90 degrees here, 90 degrees at each corner. Okay. Now, if you were going to look at the exterior angle, we need to extend the sides out. So go with this, 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 and this. Okay? So, let's look at this one first. You have 180 degrees. So half of it is 90, the other half must also be 90 degrees, right? Okay? So likewise, the supplement of 90 degrees is 90 degrees. Okay, so this guy and that guy would also be 90 degrees. Okay. Notice that the interior angle and the exterior angle are the same. Okay, so now if you were to find the sum of the exterior angles of a square, we're going to take 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90. So we can say 90 times 4 equals what? Okay, if you say 360, you are correct. So notice that the sum of the exterior angle of the triangle and the square is the same. So what can you predict about the exterior angles, the sum of the exterior angles of a pentagon? Okay, so let's test this out. Let's tell you that the interior angle of a pentagon is 108 degrees. Okay, so each of the interior angle is 108. Now, what would be the sum of the exterior angle of the pentagon? Okay, so just going to extend the sides out. This goes here, like this. Okay, so ask yourself, what would be the measure of this exterior angle here, knowing that together they make 180 degrees? If you say 72, you are correct. So each of the exterior angle of the pentagon is 72 degrees. Okay. You can add them all up to get the sum, or you can take 72 times 5. What would you get? Guess what? It's the same as for the triangle and the square. You get 360 degrees. Okay, so for polygon with any number of sides, the exterior angles all add up to be 360 degrees.